Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Fatah with NPM 25412065. Today I would like to presentation about the dynamic dance of macroeconomics, consumers, producers, and market efficiency. Welcome to a journey into the fundamental principles of macroeconomics. This presentation will explore the intricate relationship between consumers and producers, and how their interactions drive the concept of market efficiency. Understanding these core elements is crucial for comprehending how economics function, allocate resources, and ultimately strive for collective well-being. The driving force understanding consumers. Defining the consumer, consumers are the ultimate arbiters of value in an economy. They are individual or groups who are actively engaged in the markets to satisfy their diverse needs and wants by purchasing goods and services. Their collective preference and purchasing power are the bedrock of demand. Decision-making process. Every consumer decision is a complex calculation. They weigh factors like price, quality, availability, and personal utility, ultimately choosing products and services that promise the greatest perceived value or satisfaction. This includes decision-making process directly influence which product success and which file in the marketplace. Shaping market demand. The aggregate choice of millions of consumers qualifies from market demand. Their evolving preference, demographic shifts, and purchasing power dictates the types and quantities of goods and services that producers are incentivized to offer. In essence, consumers hold significant power in shaping the economic landscape. The innovators understanding producers. What are producers? Producers are the engine of economic activity. Business, entrepreneurs, and individuals dedicated to creating tangible goods or delivering valuable service. Their primary objective is to meet the express and latent needs of consumers, translating raw materials and labor into marketable products. Production decisions. Producers face a constant balancing act. Their decisions regarding what to produce, how much to produce, and which method to employ are heavily influenced by production costs, technological capabilities, and the potential for profitability. They aim to optimize resource allocation to maximize output and revenue. Shaping market supply. The collective output of all producers constitutes market supply. Their innovations, investment in new technologies, and responsiveness to demand signal directly determine the quantity and variety of goods and services available in an economy. Producers are critical in driving economy growth and innovation. The market's pulse, interaction of consumers and producers, a symbiotic relationship. The market serves as the dynamic arena where consumers and producers engage in a continuous symbiotic exchange. Every purchase and sale is a transaction that reflects a mutual agreement, where both parties anticipate receiving a benefit. Consumers gain utility from acquired goods, while producers gain revenue and the incentive to continue production. The integrate dance between demand and supply is what ultimately determines the fundamental economic question: what goods and services are produced, in what quantities, and at what price points. Neither party can exist without the other, forming the bedrock of a functioning market economy. The efficiency of this interaction directly impacts economic stability and growth. When these interactions are fluid and well informed, resources are allocated effectively, benefiting society as well. Achieving optimal allocation, understanding market efficiency. Maximizing overall satisfaction. Market efficiency is achieved when resources are allocated in a manner that maximizes the collective satisfaction and welfare of all participants. This means getting the most out of available resources, ensuring that goods reach those who value them most and are produced by those who can do so with the least cost. Production at lowest cost. An efficient market ensures that goods and services are produced by firms or individuals who possess the greatest comparative advantage, meaning they can produce them at the lowest possible cost. This minimizes waste and frees up resources for other productive uses, reflecting productive efficiency. Consumption by highest value. Equally important, efficiency dictates that goods are consumed by those who derive the greatest utility or value from them. This concept, known as allocative efficiency, ensures that societal well-being is maximized as resources are directed towards their most valued uses. The imperative of efficiency, why it matters, eliminating waste. Efficient markets act as powerful mechanism for eliminating waste by aligning production with consumer preferences. They ensure that every good and service brought to market is desired and utilized, preventing the costly allocation of resources to unwanted or undervalued items. This directly contributes to higher living standards, preventing missed opportunities. Without efficiency, economics can suffer from significant missed opportunities. This occurs when valuable goods are not produced due to market failures, or when available goods longs are purchased because they don't reach those who must value them. Efficient markets ensure that these potential benefits are realized. This critical balance supports not only economic prosperity but also fosters innovation and resilience, making the entire system more robust and responsive to change. It's the engine behind sustained economic well-being and growth. The unseen hand, the role of price in efficiency. Price as a signal. Prices are the fundamental communication mechanism in a market economy. They act as instantaneous signals, conveying vital information between millions of consumers and producers. A rising price signal increases demand or reduces supply, prompting producers to increase output and consumers to economize, reflecting true value. In an efficient market, price accurately reflect the true cost of production and the true value consumers place on a good. When prices are undistorted, they guide both production and consumption decisions towards outcomes that are mutually beneficial and socially optimal, preventing misallocation of resources. Coordinating choice. Price process and incredible power to coordinate the myriad individual choices made by economic agents. Without centralized planning, price allow a decentralized system to achieve a harmonious and efficient outcome, guiding resources to where they are most needed and most valued. When this signaling mechanism works effectively, it creates a self-regulating system that minimizes waste and maximizes overall satisfaction. This is the essence of how free markets strive for efficiency. The pitfalls: what happens when markets are not efficient. The first is resource misallocation. When markets are inefficient, resources are often channeled into the production of goods or services that are not highly valued by consumers. This represents a significant waste of labor, capital, and raw materials that could have been used more productively elsewhere. The second is unmet consumer needs. Conversely, valued goods might not be produced in sufficient quantities or at all. If market signals are distorted, This leads to consumers being unable to access products and services that will significantly enhance their well-being, resulting in widespread dissatisfaction. The third is debt, deadweight loss. Economists term the loss of economic efficiency that can occur when the free market equilibrium for a good or a service is not achieved as deadweight loss. This represents a reduction in total surplus, both consumer and producer surplus, and indicates a lost opportunity for mutual gains that could have been realized in an efficient market. The fourth is stifled innovation. Innov- Innovation markets often lack the clear incentive for innovation and improvement that efficient market provide. Without proper signal and competitive pressures, producers may not invest in new technologies or better production methods, leading to stagnation and a slower pace of economic progress. Efficiency in action: the farmers market model. Producer decisions. At a local farmers market, the principle of market efficiency are vividly displayed. Farmers, as producers, make crucial decisions about what crops to plant, how many animals to raise, and what artisanal products to create. These decisions are directly influenced by their understanding of local consumer preference, past sales data, and the costs associated with their farming practice. If heirloom tomatoes were a hit last season, farmers might allocate more land to them. If the cost of organic feed for chicken rises, they might adjust egg price or quantity, all in response to anticipated consumer demand and market conditions. Consumer choice. Consumers in turn arrive at the market with their own preference, budgets, and needs. They browse stalls, compare price, assess quality, and ultimately decide what to purchase. Their choices are a reflection of their individual values, perhaps prioritizing organic produce, supporting local business, or seeking the best value for their money. The vibrant atmosphere of a farmers market with direct interaction between buyers and sellers fosters a highly responsive environment where supply quickly adapts to demand and price adjusts to reflect both production costs and some consumer willingness to pay. The farmers market is a microcosm of perfect competition where transparent pricing and direct feedback lead to remarkable efficiency. The enduring significance of market efficiency. Foundational understanding. Delving into the dynamics of consumer, producers, and market efficiency provides a robust framework for understanding the intricate workings for modern economics. It unveils the hidden mechanism that allocates scarce resources and generate wealth, promoting mutual benefit. At its core, market efficiency strives to create a win-win scenario, maximizing both consumer satisfaction and producer surplus. This leads to a higher overall standard of living and a more equitable distribution of economic gains, driving prosperity. By ensuring resources are used optimally and goods reach those who value them most, efficient markets are powerful engines for economic prosperity, fostering innovation, growth, and societal advancement. Informing policy. The principles of market economics are not just theoretical, they serve as critical tools for policymakers. Understanding this concept allows for the design of effective interventions and regulations that can correct market failures and enhance overall economic performance. In conclusion, the interplay between consumers and producers, guided by the signal of price and the pursuit of efficiency from the bedrock of macroeconomic understanding, it is a powerful system constantly evolving that ultimately aims to better satisfy the needs and wants of society. Okay, everyone, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.